Hello silly bakers, let's make this Mocha Quinoa Pudding. We're going to grab a medium-sized sauce pot and put it on your burner. We have rinsed some white quinoa thoroughly and we're going to add that to the pot, half a cup. 2 cups of milk, just ensure that there's some fat in the milk. 2 tablespoons of cocoa or cacao powder. I'm using a 1/4 cup of collagen powder. This is optional, just adds a little more protein. 2 to 3 tablespoons of whatever sweetener that you like. I'm using maple syrup and I'm using 3 tablespoons. Two teaspoons of espresso powder. You can also use any type of instant coffee. I would say probably increase it by an extra teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And a pinch of salt. We're going to turn the burner on to about medium. We want to get this to a simmer. Ensure that you whisk all of the ingredients now that the milk is cold. This will ensure that you won't get lumps from the cocoa powder. And once we see some bubbles, little simmer happening, we're going to give it a mix. We're going to put the lid on and we're going to leave a little room for air to escape. After 6 minutes, you want to ensure that when you are cooking quinoa pudding, it is at a constant simmer the entire time. And after 12 minutes, again, we're going to give it a nice mix. After 18 minutes, another mix. For me, quinoa pudding takes approximately, I would say 22 minutes or so. So I like to give it a taste at the 18-minute mark just to see how much time I need. And I definitely need some time, so we're going to cover that up again with a little air to escape. And this is after 22 minutes. You can see that it's thickened quite a bit, but there's still some liquid in there, which is what you want. I'm going to taste it again. It's good to go. So I'm going to turn off the heat. If you found that it absorbed too much liquid, just add a little more milk, a couple tablespoons at a time. The quinoa will continue to absorb it. We're going to cool it and then we're going to refrigerate it. You can eat this warm or you can also eat it cold. So I've refrigerated mine overnight and you'll notice that it's a lot thicker than it was. So very much like a pudding consistency, and it's delicious. You can have this for breakfast, you can have it as a snack. I'm going to show you how I love to have this as part of my breakfast. I will add a serving to a bowl with, I would say, half a cup of Greek yogurt and some chopped dark chocolate. Enjoy our Mocha Quinoa Pudding. 1 serving has 265 calories, 18 grams of protein, and 6 grams of fiber. This is a really great recipe to have for when you're craving something a little chocolatey. Enjoy.